In life, we mostly never get second chances, but if we're getting one, it's our responsibility to make maximum use of it. Hi, as NEET MDS 2022 exam has been postponed, we all have more than 7 months time to the date of exam, based on the tentative date June 4th, 2022. It's not only a second chance. If you carefully observe, it's a superb chance. It's a superb chance for you to master all concepts at undergraduate level, to revise as many concepts as possible, and those who are planning to start their preparation now for 2022, of course, it's the best starting point given the time you have. So this is not just a second chance for all the 2022 aspirants. In fact, it's the superb chance you're ever going to get. So let's not take it for granted and make maximum use of it. And in this context, based on requests we have been getting, we devised a new schedule and we're coming up with a new batch titled Special Batch. So this is for the first time after launching our academy, we're doing this, given the extraordinary situations we are in. Never in the past couple of years was the exam postponed to almost 6 or 7 months. But now it has happened. We're coming up with this new batch titled Special Batch. It's not just your second chance, it's a superb chance, isn't it? According to this new schedule, we'll be covering all subjects in dentistry at least once, starting from October 31st till April, most probably April ending. So once this regular schedule gets completed, in the month of May, we will be launching grand tests. You can find all these details in the description part of this video, or you can even check our website ptbdacademy.com. So with this new schedule, and you can start your preparation. In fact, those who haven't started, you can start your preparation now. Those who have already completed their preparation almost and are doing revision, you can restart your preparation again. The major challenge here is, now that we have plenty of time, the major challenge which almost majority of the aspirants are going to face, and it's the decider in the final exam, is one's ability to maintain the motivation level till the date of exam. Because given the amount of time we have, it's no easy task to stay on track. So that's the reason why we're coming up with a new schedule to provide you guidance, and also we'll organize regular live sessions, weekly discussions to keep you guys motivated. As I mentioned previously, we are here for you. Right? For any further queries or assistance, you can just get back through mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com, or you can even check our website ptbdacademy.com. In life, we mostly never get second chances, but if we're getting one, it's our responsibility to make maximum use of it. Don't you think so? So just believe in yourself, work hard, work consistently, and most importantly, as I mentioned prior, believe in yourself. Success is all yours. Wish you all the best. Love you all.